Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Let us evaluate the performance of high liquidity zone generated in the previous report. Today is the 23rd August 2024. So before we evaluate the performance, all of you please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. So at our channel homepage, click on the community tab, then you get access to this post. This post is having a YouTube playlist link that will take you to all the training lessons. You just click on the link. Now we are into the playlist Supply Demand Zone Price Action course. So far 24 training lessons are completed. From all these 24 training lessons, we have released 62 training videos. And you need to scroll down to the bottom of the page to access the first lesson. And the first lesson is starting from lesson 1.1 and then 1.2, 1.3. These three are part of lesson 1 and lesson 2. All these lessons are placed in an order. So you can access all these lessons one by one and then strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. So from the video description, please join at our Telegram channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will update at our Telegram channel. Even any other very important updates also we will provide at the Telegram channel. Now let's get into the analysis of the high liquidity zones generated in the previous report. We have identified 3 high liquidity zones from daily and 75 minutes time frame. And this is the first one. The zone is completely violated. You might be wondering, do we get a stop? Is our stop loss is hit? No. The reason is you already land when a zone will be violated. At least 80% scenarios, we are in a position to identify when a zone will be violated. So this is one such kind of zone. Whatever the concepts you learned in lesson 16, that will tell you when a zone will be violated. Based on the concepts, we identified this zone will be violated. First of all, this is a 75 minutes high liquidity zone, rally base rally. This 75 minute zone, we want to fine tune in 15 minutes time frame. So I'm changing the time frame to 15 minutes. Now look into the 15 minute structure. Here these are all base candles. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Even 9, 10, 11. When you have so many base candles, if the base candle count is more than 6, mostly the zone will be violated. So that is the reason why even I didn't fine tune the zone. As we predicted today, you see what happens, simply the zone is violated. After that it went further down. So this is the way we are in a position to identify when a zone will be violated. All the rules I have explained in lesson 16. We have 2 parts in lesson 16. Please go through both the videos in lesson 16. Then you will be in a position to identify when a zone will be violated. So this is one such kind of stock, and another one is a daily high liquidity demand zone. This is Adani Ports. In the previous video, I already explained how to fine tune this Adani Ports. So I am not going to explain again. You can refer the previous videos. There how I already fine-tuned this zone. Even today, prices did not enter into this zone. We didn't get a trade. And next one is LTTS, L&T Technology Services. This is a daily high liquidity supply zone. See here, we have a drop. We have 3 base candles and again a drop. Even this is a drop candle. Drop candle, 2 base candles and again a drop candle. This is what our software identified. Drop, base, drop with a hidden body. This is the leg out candle. You already learned in lesson 9.3 and 9.4 in both the videos. You learned the hidden body and hidden zone concept. So accordingly our software identified this zone. And this is fine-tuned with 75 minutes time frame. How I fine-tuned, let me explain. See here we have a rally base drop. This leg out is not really great, but okay, because we are fine tuning the zone. We want to identify the order flow. So at some extent, sometimes we can compromise and draw the zones. Previously, also several times I explained. Sometimes some people may feel this is a little short of what we expect, the leg out. Some people may say, okay, no problem, we can compromise and we can draw the zone. Ultimate goal is here in this area, we should identify proper fine-tuned area in the remaining time frames. That we will see. And apart from that, again we have a drop, base, and again a drop candle. This is not a rally candle. The moment you add the hidden body, this is going to be a drop candle. So we identified 275-minute zone. But the one below, we haven't fine-tuned. Why we haven't fine-tuned? That you will understand once we move on to the 15-minute zone. So now I am changing the time frame to 15 minutes. Now look into the 15 minutes time frame. So here in the 15 minutes time frame, now easily you can identify why we didn't fine tune. See here we have a drop candle and then we have a rally candle. In between there are no base candles. So definitely we can't fine tune this zone. So such kind of zone will be violated easily, because just some time before we already discussed when a zone will be violated. So this is another reason why such kind of zones will violate. And then we have a drop base drop is there, and also we have a rally, 3 base candles, and a drop is also there. These are the 15-minute zones we have fine tuned. These 15-minute zones again we need to fine tune with 5 minutes time frame. But here we have a fine tuned 5-minute zone. Here I didn't fine tune within the 5-minute zone. This is the 15-minute zone. Drop base drop. Inside we didn't have any 5-minute zone. Why we didn't fine tune the bottom one? Why we only fine tuned in the upper 15-minute zone? Those reasons you will understand only when you move on to the 5 minutes time frame. So now I am changing the time frame to 5 minutes. Now you will be able to understand once we look into those fine-tuned 15-minute zone. Inside the fine-tuned 15-minute zone, we need to identify 5-minute zone. See here, we have a drop, base, drop is there. But still why I didn't fine-tune? The reason is the number of base candles. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All these candles were moving here, and it might have consumed the entire institutional pending order flow. So next time prices will easily violate this zone. So this is the reason why we didn't fine tune. And here you have a ERC candle. You have a base candle. This is a leg-in. So we have a rally candle, and then we have a base candle, and then you have a drop candle. So rally, base, drop, we have fine tuned the 5-minute zone. So this 5-minute zone is there inside the 15. 15 is there inside the 75. The entire 75 is there inside the daily. So here we are able to spot the institutional, the real order flow. So only once prices enter into this zone, we want to plan the trade. But unfortunately today, the prices did not enter into the zone, so we didn't get a trade. Let's look into the recent price action. So prices didn't move into this zone. So that's why we didn't get any trades today. But the only thing is, the only zone violated, we already identified the zone will be violated, that is burger paints. So that's the reason why burger paints is violated today. Because of 15-minute zone. Drop, base, rally. If you don't fine tune, you know what will happen? Go to 5 minutes. This is another important point I want to tell you. It's a very important learning here. Go to the 5 minutes time frame. See here, you have an excellent rally, base, rally. But see, the entire thing is violated here. In this candle itself, the zone is violated. After that, institutions created one more supply and further violated this entire zone. Why this rally, base, rally did not work? The reason is There is no 15 minutes order flow. Without 15 minutes order flow, directly you go to the 5 minutes order flow. Many times such kind of zones will be violated. I'm not saying always, what I'm saying is many times. 80 or 85% scenarios, such kind of zones will be violated. But remaining 15% scenarios, it will work. Why it will work? Because of the aggressive trade nature. If you want to plan a trade, rally-based rally, this is going to be an aggressive trade. Why aggressive trade? Because there is no fine-tuned 15 minutes. So you have directly 5 minute zone. Without fine-tuned 15 minutes, you are taking this trade. When you want to take a trade, this is going to be an aggressive trade. But aggressive trade should be taken based on the price action clues. Here you don't have any price action clue. When you don't have a proper price action clue, such kind of zones will be easily violated. That is what happened. That's why lesson 21, we already discussed all these scenarios. Several scenarios I explained. Aggressive trades also I explained in lesson 21. So this is one important learning for you. This is about this analysis session. Hope excuse me. Hope this information will be helpful to you for your further enhancing your skills. Let's all meet again in our next video. Thank you.